Hello, my name is Thuy, and I work for the University of Arizona Cooperative Extension here in San Carlos. Playing is a very important way that our kids develop. In fact, playing has a crucial role in letting them explore the world around them. And 90% of the brain is developed by the time a child's 5. So every time that we're able to read, sing, talk, and play with our child each and every day, we should. And today, I'd like to share with you a fun and simple sensory bag where it would keep them entertained while developing their skills. So let's begin. So the first items that you would need to create our sensory bags is 1, 8-gallon-sized Ziploc bag, some tape, and some type of gel or lotion. And the most important thing about the gel and lotion is that it needs to have some color to it. It can't be clear. So let's begin. You would need a clean and flat surface to tape down the Ziploc sensory bag. Then you would want to tape the bag on the top and on the bottom. Painter's tape works best on the floors. You don't want to tape the bags on the sides because we can slip a piece of paper between the Ziploc bag and the floor to have the toddlers explore when they're playing with their fingers and the sensory bag. For this one, I used numbers, but you can use animals, you can use the alphabet, and this is a great activity to also use during tummy time if you have younger infants as well. This gives them a different way of exploring the world. So this short activity, when you ask your toddlers to locate each number, works on a number of skills. First, their vocabulary, when you're asking them what numbers do they see, and then their fine motor skills when they're moving the liquid around, which is the small muscles in their fingers and hands, and also their eye and hand coordination when they are uncovering each of the numbers, and also their problem-solving skills. And this is shown when they're determining what numbers they're uncovering. Thank you for joining me today in creating the simple sensory Ziploc bag activity for toddlers. It's a great way for toddlers to explore and to develop their fine motor skills, which is the small muscles in their hands, and their eye and hand coordination, their vocabulary, and their problem-solving skills. Until next time, thank you, and remember to always read, sing, play, and talk to our little ones each and every day, because their development depends on us. Thank you. Ahia.